This is the programmer Al, and today I'm walking through an Edabit Python challenge called Fix the Error Value versus Reference Types. And the challenge asks us to create a function that returns true if two lists contain identical values and false otherwise. And to solve this equation, someone already came up with the code. And with the testing, you notice something's wrong. And so basically what they're asking us to do is look over the code and fix it. So basically it's taking a list and comparing it to another list. And it's a super easy fix. On this one, instead of using the is, you use equals equals to show that they have identical values. And this one doesn't seem to be super concerned with having the numbers somewhere in the list as long as it's, in the same order. So that's going to work for this problem. All you have to do is change is to the equal operator to measure equality and sameness, and that should pass the test, and that's what did. So that is how you do this challenge, fix the error value versus reference types.